This question has minus 5 division 5 division minus 5 division 5. Since the symbol is same, I have seen many students clubbing the division minus 1 division minus 1. And the final answer comes out to be 1, which is not the correct way to solve this question. Understand carefully. In the PEMDAS rule, if all the symbols are same, in this case division, then solve the equation from left to right. Whichever term comes first, solve it. So minus 5 division 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 division minus 5, 1 by 5. So write this as 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, which is 1 by 25.